ಸಾರಿ
ಗ್ಯಾಸ್ ಇದೇ ಥರ ಫಿಟ್ ಮಾಡೋರು ಅವರು ಮಾಡಿಸಿಲ್ಲ.
ಹಾಂ ಸೇಮ್. ಇದು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. ವಾವ್, why these are given for the vegetable strainer. Wait, vegetables na we'll wash, right? So that is it. I think vegetable strainer idಕ್ಕೆ ಹಾಕೋಬೇಕು ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ. I don't know. Not for that. It is specifically.
Might be for that also.
No, you wash something and put it, it will drain. She told she'll cut the wall like this, edrugade, and she'll push us. And that one she'll